If you're someone who's serious about skincare, you've probably come across the debate toner versus essence. These two popular products are essential steps in many routines, yet they serve very different purposes. But which one is right for you? Understanding the difference between toner and essence can be the key to unlocking your healthiest, most radiant skin. In this video, we'll break down the role of each, so you can make the best choice for your specific skincare needs. Let's dive in. What is a toner? Toners are typically liquid-based products designed to balance the skin's pH after cleansing. Back in the day, toners were often associated with harsh, astringent formulas meant to tighten pores and remove excess oil, but today's toners have evolved significantly. Now they're all about hydration, soothing the skin, and prepping your face for the next steps in your skincare routine. Modern toners can be alcohol-free and packed with calming ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, or even hyaluronic acid for hydration. Toners are essential for removing any leftover impurities, dirt, or makeup residue that your cleanser might have missed. They also help to restore the skin's pH balance, which can be disrupted by harsh cleansers. This balance is crucial because it helps your skin stay healthy and defend itself against environmental stressors like pollution. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, a toner with mild exfoliating properties like salicylic acid can help unclog pores and prevent breakouts.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
What is an essence? Essence, on the other hand, is a product that has become a staple in Korean skincare. It's designed to hydrate the skin on a deeper level while delivering a concentrated dose of active ingredients to boost your skin's overall health. Essences usually have a watery, lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. Their primary function is to provide intense hydration, nourish the skin, and enhance the efficacy of the rest of your skincare routine. What sets essences apart is their formulation. They're packed with high concentration of active ingredients like antioxidants, peptides, and fermented extracts. These components work to stimulate cell turnover, improve elasticity, and brighten the complexion. Essences are often seen as a hybrid between a toner and a serum, offering benefits like hydration and skin rejuvenation in a more lightweight form. If you're someone with dry, dehydrated, or aging skin, an essence could be the secret weapon you've been missing. Toner versus essence. Key differences. So, how do toners and essences differ, and which one should you choose? It comes down to what your skin needs and the goals you're trying to achieve. Function. A toner primarily preps your skin for the next step by balancing its pH and removing any lingering impurities. Essence, on the other hand, is all about boosting hydration and delivering active ingredients deep into your skin. Consistency. Toners generally have a water-like texture, though some may be slightly thicker, while essences tend to be more viscous and concentrated, but still lightweight enough to layer easily. Ingredients. While toners often focus on balancing and lighting hydrating, essences tend to be richer in active ingredients like peptides, fermented extracts, and hyaluronic acid. Designed to target specific concerns like aging, dullness, or dehydration. When to use a toner or essence? The good news is you don't necessarily have to choose between toner and essence. Many skincare enthusiasts use both. Typically, you would apply a toner right after cleansing to balance and hydrate your skin. Then follow with an essence to infuse deeper hydration and active ingredients. However, if you're looking for simplicity in your routine, consider your skin type. If your skin tends to be oily or acne prone, you might benefit more from a toner, especially one with exfoliating or pore clearing properties. On the other hand, if your skin is dry, aging, or in need of deep hydration, an essence could be the game changer in the skincare routine. Whether you choose toner or essence or both, it's all about finding the right balance for your skin. Skincare is deeply personal, and experimenting with different products can lead you to the perfect routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on achieving your best skin ever.